In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add black background on your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app and then swipe to the right to activate Instagram camera. After that, tap right here at the left where it says create. You can just tap at these two characters and that will put some colored background on your story. However, if you would like to change it to black, all you have to do is just tap right here at this circle for several times until you find black. Here it is. Once it is done, you can continue editing your story in the way you like. You can add there some stickers, you can mention someone, you can do all the stuff you usually do while creating your Instagram stories. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.